Now he's just sitting on top of Deb's house. I was making a right turn in Deb's backyard. Doing a circle. I was doing a left turn. Now I was doing a left circle on top of Deb's house, which is 2 down from me, so next door to the fireman's house. So now he's coming above the fireman's house. At half a mile per hour. I've always done stuff like this. He's like, I'll waste your time, I'll get so involved and be so annoying. So it has a black little vertical piece on the tail, I think just the back, and then it seems like there's windows on the side or a slight stripe of black. Now he's headed out towards Oliver Street, and he's gonna turn left and come back over my roof. I can see the tilt. He just adjusted it, but he was starting to tilt. So whatever.